Hello everyone, this is Hussein from EJ Academy. This is the first video of a series about quadratic expressions. In this video, I wanted to give you an overview of quadratic expression, and in the following video, I will talk about different form of quadratic expressions and also the methods used to solve quadratic equations. What you see on the screen is the general form of a quadratic expression. Quadratic expressions have numerous applications in real life. For example, assume a basketball player who threw the ball toward the hoop. The application of quadratic expression here is to define the projectile of the ball. Let's get back to the quadratic expression that you see on the screen. In this quadratic expression, x is the variable and a, b, and c are the constant of the expression. Because there are three terms in this expression, it is called a polynomial. More specifically, it is called trinomial because it has three terms. And because the largest exponent of the variable x is 2, it is called a second degree polynomial. If you graph this expression, the curve is called a parabola. Speaking of parabola, there are two types of parabolas. One is concave or downward parabola, as you can see on the left side of the screen. One of the greatest example in real life is Gateway Arch structure in St. Louis, Missouri. And the other type of parabola is convex or upward parabola, and one of the famous example is the shape of the cables of the Golden Gate Bridge in San Francisco, California. The lowest or the highest point of the parabola is called vertex of the parabola, and that is the point where the parabola is divided into two branches. The ascending branch is the branch that the values of the expression are increasing, and the descending branch is the one that the value of the expression are decreasing. If you draw a vertical line passes through the vertex of the parabola, that line is the line or axis of symmetry of the parabola. And the points that the parabola intersect with the x-axis are called roots of the expression. And depending on the expression, there are three possibilities. The first one is the one that there are two distinct real roots. You see an example of it on the left side of the screen where the parabola intersect with the x-axis at two distinct points. The second possibility is the one that the parabola intersect with the x-axis at only one point. You see an example of it on the right side of the screen. And actually at that point, the two roots are literally on top of each other. And because of that, it's called double root. And the third possibility is the one that there is no real root, and if you solve the equation, you get complex roots. In the following videos, I will explain how to obtain the complex roots. To calculate the roots of a quadratic expression, there are three methods. Those methods are called factoring, completing the square, and quadratic formula. And in the following videos, I will explain these three methods. But before that, I wanted to talk about the form of the quadratic expression. What you see at the top of the screen is the standard form, but there is one other form of quadratic expression, which is called vertex form. And in the very next video, I will talk about vertex form, and I will show you how you can obtain the vertex form from the standard form and what is the use of it. In the meantime, you can think of the applications of quadratic expressions in real life, and in the comment section below this video, let me know what those applications are. If this video helped you in any way, please hit the like button and subscribe if you enjoy our content and would like to see more.